PSIA. We're still in Patchway, Filton. We're in Filton now. That's right. We're literally on the bounds of Filton now. And we're coming to Airbus operations, Airbus operational base in Bristol. There's one of these in Newport as well. We did record it. But yeah, we find out they're a mod contractor. And huge site, massive site. And what I noticed was the Sir Stanley White Gate, opened by Sir George White on the 24th of September 2013. Founding director of the British Colonial Aeroplane Company 1910, managing director 1911 to 1920, managing director of the Bristol Aeroplane Company from 1920 to 1955, and deputy chairman from 1955 to 1964. Oh, there's a lot of history of this one then. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that incredible structure there. Doesn't seem to be anyone in the security officers though. Which is surprising for this being Airbus. A mod contractor as well. Is there any security? Is there any security? That incredible building there is what drew me to this. So yeah, I'm not sure where the security are over there. There's no security in the booths. That makes a change for Airbus. And we've got security gates there, look. So what have we got on that sign? Oh yeah, they are, they're all looking at me now. Got Barnwell House, employee parking, motorcycle, cycle parking, changing facility.
Hello.
Hello there, you okay buddy? Hello buddy.
What are you doing?
Just filming mate.
Sorry?
Just filming buddy.
We'll give you permission to film.
Am I not allowed to be on you?
You should be outside.
Okay buddy, yeah, can you not get so close to me?
You need to go outside.
Alright,
okay.
no worries bud. So you're asking me to leave, yeah? Okay. I'm not committing any aggravated trespass.
I've got my camera.
You've got your camera, thank you very much for telling me. Okay. Very professional guy, and you've got your SIA badge on display. Good man. Good man, thanks buddy. Alright, have a good day, yeah? Why is no one, if this isn't public, why is there no one on that gate but there? I haven't signed any of your contracts, so I don't really need to abide by that. I'm just leaving. I just saw this impressive structure, I wanted to photograph it. I'm not there. No wait, as I said, I'm leaving, alright? There we go, public footpath. There we go, I can record from here mate. Boom, public footpath. I can stand here all I like. I'm not coming in mate, I'm just standing here, alright? Sorry, it's just an implied right of access buddy, the gates are wide open, there's no signs to tell me anything. Thing is, buddy, there's an implied right of access. There's no signs to tell me I can't come in. And there's a gate up there, so I wasn't really sure. I think it's implied, isn't it? It's just an implied right of access, buddy, that's all. No, buddy. I can if I'm on a public domain now. Yes, I can. I'm on a public footpath. No, I can film anything my eyes can see from public. I'm allowed to film it. Okay, buddy? Yes, I am. I think if you refer yourself to the guidelines which are set in place by the National Police Chiefs Council, you'll understand what I'm doing is lawful. Ask a police officer. Go down to Pattray. Go down to Pattray Police Centre. They'll educate you.
Everything okay, is it?
No, that's why I'm feeling. I'm not going outside.
I'm going to carry on filming, mate. I'm not stopping. Just saying. I mean, you're just a security guard. I can't expect you to be educated on the whole thing, but I'm educating you now. Oh. Security van. Securitas van. Security van.
Yeah, Romeo 1, Romeo 2, Romeo Control and Bravo 1.
Blimey. Another security van.
Yeah, definitely Bravo 1.
They're coming out now.
Yeah, I've got government that's building inside Vegas' house. He's building a cell park with lawful.
There they go. Overreaction to a camera again.
Yeah, Bravo 1.
Here we are. Another security van. Hello, buddy. You alright? Two security vehicles. For a guy with a camera. You guys are funny. Two security vehicles for a guy with a camera. Oh. I think you'll find I'm on public property, Ramstead. Hello. I'm fine. Hello. How are you? All right. All right, buddy. How are you doing?
Yeah, not bad, mate. You?
Yeah, all good, all good. Having a good day.
What are you filming for, mate?
Just for my own interest, really. It's an interesting place. I like that big monument you got over there as well. That, what would I call it? Modern art, I'd call it. You know.
Yeah, you're not supposed to be filming though.
I can if I'm in a public place. I can film anything I can see.
Yeah, but this is a restricted site.
It doesn't matter. If I'm in a public place, I can film anything that I can see. You know, buddy?
You still shouldn't be filming, mate.
I can if I want to.
And I ask you not to film me.
You can ask.
I'm asking.
Well, I'm not going to comply with that, I'm afraid. Sorry about that, buddy. You got another security vehicle down as well? Oh my. What's with a heavy-handed response over a camera anyway, with all your security coming down? It's a bit silly, isn't it? Really?
I've already said to you this is a restricted site.
And? It's just a camera. It's not a gun, is it?
Yeah,
it's not a bomb.
Still, you're still not allowed to film anything on the Airbus.
I can if I'm stood in public, mate.
I'm double checking whether you're actually on our property still.
This is painted by the council, by you?
No, I'm just double checking the boundaries, the lights.
Right, okay. Well, this is a public.
The boundaries, the lights.
Well, See how it changes?
Yeah, that's
for
just
there?
Have a 1, 2, legal one.
It's all done by the council over there, so I can even check.
So we're double checking. If you're still on our property, then I'll ask you to move to the traffic lights, please.
Okay. Well, I'm not on your property, so. Hello, buddy. You all right? I mean, you can even see there's a visible line where your site is there. So.
As I said, we're just double checking it, mate. All right.
Okay.
So you're fine to film as long as you're not on the Airbus property.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. If I was, I wouldn't be breaking the law until I'm asked to leave. So, then it would be aggravated trespass if I refuse. As you know, I do know the law. You're dealing with a guy who has read up on the law, who's got an app on his phone which shows legislation. So, that's me. I'm not causing any trouble for you guys. I'm just coming down filming. That's all. So, you know. I can see you've all got your SIA badges on display. You're following the correct procedure under the Private Security Industry Act, so I've got no issues. Just going to get a shot of your van in a minute. There we are. Just getting a shot of your van. Oh, nice. 21 plate. Hey, buddy. All right, on. Just getting a shot of the van. Heard your body camera come on then. I just heard your body camera come on then. You're going to inform me about that?
Just to let you know, I'll be filming as well.
Thank you very much, buddy. Appreciate it. Proper procedure, I like it. Following the Private Security Industry Act. Yeah, what piqued my interest really was that over there. That big monument there. So it's quite interesting, isn't it? It's an interesting site as well as huge, so that's the thing, mate. Another security guard coming down. It's heavy-handed, man. Heavy-handed. So we got 3 security vans and another security guard coming down. Police. Wonder whether they called MDP from Abbey Wood. You on the buzzer to control, are you, or what's happening?
Yeah, I'm asking to front for me. Said, I said, can you stop filming me? He said, no, you can't film this. And he said, come on and do the rest of the instructor was behind us again. Who behind us? So yeah, he said, John off the property. He said, well, I'm double checking that because I think the phone's reading. Hello, sir, you alright?
Hello, yeah, not too bad yourself.
What's your interest in Airbus today?
Oh, it's just, it's an interesting place, isn't it? You make parts for planes, you make...
oh yeah, of course,
yeah. So
what do you need to film? What do you want to film?
I saw that as well, that big monument over there, that interested me.
Okay.
And then I saw this building as well. I started filming this.
Yeah.
Got all the big statues on it as well. That's
this one's
quite
in
interesting.
the Aviation Museum at Bristol. Have you seen it?
Oh, is it? Yeah,
Pretty cool,
Aerospace. Yeah, Aerospace Bristol.
My name's
yeah.
Alex. I work here.
Alex, okay, good to meet you,
What's
Alex. I'm call me TGA.
TGA.
TGA, yes, that's my YouTube.
YouTube, is it?
Yeah,
okay,
yeah, that's what I'm doing this for. So.
No worries. We're just speaking to Airbus management.
Right, okay.
And then we'll just get some advice from.
Just for the land registry, is it, or just
yeah,
so
we're
you
just
know?
trying to find out what's ours and what's not.
Okay, yeah, because there seems to be some sort of line. I know the rules regarding aggravated trespass, civil trespass, that sort of thing. If I'm on private property, I'm asked to leave. Verbally asked to leave. Clearly, I will leave the property.
Worries,
so I do know that. So I'm just.
That's okay. Yeah.
I know more. I've read up on all the regulations regarding filming in public as well. So that's.
That's all right. Okay.
Okay, buddy. Alex, was it? Yeah.
Alex.
Alex, good to meet you, Alex.
Okay.
Hello, buddy. You all right?
Hey mate, how are you? You okay?
Yeah, not too bad. Yourself?
Yeah, not too bad.
good.
My name's Jay. I work for Airbus Security.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. You're just filming, yeah? Public interest stuff?
Just
yeah. No
public
problem.
interest. That's
Audit?
it. Yes. Yeah.
At all. Yeah. You're on public land, so obviously you understand you can do that.
Yeah.
And you're not seeing anything here that you couldn't see on.
No. So you're in-house security then, yeah?
In-house, yeah.
So do you have to wear under the private security industry act, you're supposed to wear your SIA badge, aren't you?
No, because I'm not a contractor. I actually work for Airbus.
Oh, because you work for Airbus. Because you're in-house, you don't have to wear it.
That's right.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, buddy.
You carry on anyway. We'll just leave you to it.
Yeah,
All
cheers.
right? No problem.
Oh, is it Jay? Yes.
Jay. Yeah.
Jay, good to meet you, Jay.
No problem at all. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Obviously, if you do enter this land, they will obviously.
They can remove me. Yeah.
This is public access, but it's implied license, so we wouldn't expect you to film. There, okay. But if you are interested at any point, just stop the recording, make contact to the reception, explain why you want to film, etc. Maybe they can accommodate you.
Okay, appreciate that, Jay. Thank you very much. Have a good day, yeah. Thank you. Right, guys. See you later, yeah. All right. Here we go. They're walking off now. Their security task. Been here a while now. So yeah, there's been Airbus. Gonna make a move now, guys. I think just gonna get a few last little shots. Gonna get a shot of that building there. So as you can see, we've got this massive building here. Big shot of that. You can call the police or anything like that, which is good. Makes a nice change. Yeah, just want to get a shot of that there. Oh, look at that. That's incredible up there. Wow. You guys gonna stand there, yeah? Go on. Jog on, you haven't got any business anymore. Oh, police. Oh, they're back then. So, bit of an update for BAE. The sign over there said public footpath. So those guys are talking at their arse really. Right, this is the public footpath. Public footpath. Sign up there. Stop making up rubbish. Public footpath. It's a sign up there. Just don't make up lies just because I've got a camera. Hello. Sign up there says public footpath, just saying.
This bit isn't.
Yeah, it is.
This is Airbus property.
No, it says the sign that says public footpath, mate.
This is Airbus property.
Have you got anything to prove that?
Airbus bungees goes up to the tarmac there.
Have you got anything to prove that, mate?
I can get a manager to prove it to you.
Okay, because it says up there, it says public
I can get a
footpath.
manager to prove it if you wish, but I can ask you not to film on. If you want to film, can you film across the road, please?
No, because this is a public footpath, mate, and you're forcing me into moving traffic, so...
No, I'm just asking you to film across the road.
No, there's a sign there that says public footpath, so I don't know what you're getting at.
Let me get an Airbus manager out to you then.
Okay, because it's public footpath, mate, so... Hi, buddy. Public footpath. Hello mate, you alright? No, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not, because there's a sign there that clearly states this is a public footpath. So do you not allow members of the public to walk past you then, do you? What difference does it make that I've got a camera? Can I ask, do you have people walking through here going to the golf course and everything like that? What difference does it make that I'm carrying a camera? It's, you know, it's bullying, that's what it is. I tell you, it's bullying. Bullying me because I got a camera. No, it's bullying, mate, because I got a camera. I bet you'd let plenty of other people who are not carrying a camera walk through here. It's the difference because I got a camera. You wouldn't approach all them, would you? No. So here we go again with Airbus. You know, it's not on really, is it? Intake. What's that like? Must be their car park over there. There we go, people are coming out. What's going on now? They like making things up, don't they? Securitas are making things up again. As you can see, there's a dip in the curb there. Public access going down. Yeah, they're trying to tell me it's not. They're over there now. Are they coming back? So I've got places to be, right? Right. I walk down, they come down. Basically bullying me, that's what they're doing, because they don't like me filming. Try and nitpick every little thing they can. Making things up. Busy site though, Airbus. Come on, guys. I'm playing up. It's a bit windy, isn't it? Right. Well, the thing is, guys, I'm going to look up the land registry, see what I can find. I maintain this is a public footpath, and I'm going to head off now, guys, because I'm fed up with these lot. I'm fed up with these lot. See you later. I'm fed up with you. I'm not waiting there for them. They're taking the piss. I'm going. They can't make me stay there. I'm off. Right, so we'll see you all soon, guys. That's going to be part of the Airbus video as well. And see you guys soon. I know I'm right because it says public footpath up there. That's a public footpath.